actually the next day. The epoxy's looking really nice. It's got the design stayed in the middle. We actually had a few little leaks. If you can see here, there's a few little leaks. This one on this side is a little bit bigger of a leak. So next time that I use this HDPE, I'm gonna actually seal it in the inside as well, not just on the pieces that join together. All right, y'all, so here it is. I had to wait for more epoxy to come in because I was a little short by like a 1/4 inch. But now once this bad boy dries, give it a couple days, ready to run it through the planer and get that flood coat on, and it'll be looking beautiful.